Today, we will talk about traditional Russian and delicious fish recipes that will be incredibly fragrant ukha or fish soup, crispy dried fish beer snack. They are not just part of culture, but a Russian soul. Have a seat where you want, and we will begin our story. Royal Starlet Soup, Sturgeon, in a cauldron. Sturgeon is an expensive fish that could previously be found on tables in royal mansions. Today, this fish fillet can be bought at the supermarket easily. If you want to cook a delicious first course, then you will surely like sturgeon soup. Let's discuss the popular ways to make ukha. Often, the preparation of sturgeon soup is associated with a trip to the countryside. How wonderful it is to make a fire near a pond and prepare fragrant soup in cauldron. Ukha was previously considered a male-cooked dish, but today at home such a soup is more often prepared by women. The sturgeon carcass is easy to cut, and the fillet can be used to prepare delicious second courses. Ukha from head of sturgeon is incredibly tasty and fragrant. You can have a truly royal meal just with a sturgeon ukha. It is very easy to cook and very tasty to leave anyone indifferent. Drying helps to remove excess of moisture and prepare the fish for smoking. After the fish is pulled out of salt brine, it is tied with twine strung on a thin rope and hung in fresh air to dry. Tying fish for hot smoking allows you to maintain the shape of the fish, to make sure that the fish doesn't sag and doesn't fall apart. From above, it is advised to cover the fish with a thin layer of gauze, which will best protect the fish from flies. It is not necessary to dry the product for very long. Half an hour will be enough. And finally, the last operation. Rinse the dried fish again under cold water to wash off salt particles from its surface and put it out drained with kitchen paper towels. Now the salted and dried fish is completely and entirely ready for smoking. Well, it's time to start. How to smoke fish in a smokehouse? First of all, we need to decide what to choose: small garden, kitchen, or a common metal bucket or barrel. Cover the bottom of the barrel or smokehouse with wood chips and sawdust. Layer of each shouldn't be too thick. Just 1.5 or 2 cm will be enough. Use juniper branch together with sawdust. Thanks to it, your fish will have wonderful aroma and a rich golden shade. The temperature inside the smokehouse should be about 80-90 degrees, not higher. As soon as you see first circle of smoke, it means the process of active smoke formation already began and you can start the clock. Hot smoked fish, despite its relative simplicity, still must be strictly carried out in accordance with certain rules, due to which the final result will exceed all the grandest expectations. Today we went over some simple and delicious ways to cook fish as Russians do. Experiment and try to cook yourself. With love from Russia.
www.fooddrinkmagazine.com and the YouTube channel are working day and night to provide you with all about your food and drink curiosities from around the world. We would like your help to further expand our food and beverage portfolio. Wherever you are in the world, send your food and beverage experiences to admin@fooddrinkmagazine.com in a video or article format. Let the introduce your country, region, or business, your food and drink traditions to all over the world. Thank you in advance for your contribution. Please visit our website at www.fooddrinkmagazine.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and enjoy our videos.